A very good morning, Mr. Bukat. Today is day two of Lamera,
That's right, yeah.
and I wanted to ask, can you tell us more about your company and its overall offerings for the industry?
Yeah. Thermacut is a company who make products for thermal cutting processes like oxy-fuel, plasma and laser cutting. The company is based in the Czech Republic. There's our mother company and our production. We have worldwide about 400 people who are working for the Thermacut group. We have subsidiaries in China and India, in the United States. I'm responsible for the Western European market.
Okay,
We are located in Germany, have a big stock, have our own service department there, and supplying and making service for the customer in Western Europe.
okay. And what all industry are using your product?
Everybody who's using a metal and
Okay,
have to cut the metal.
okay,
Sometimes they are using it to prepare it for welding. Some other areas are yeah, to destroy old buildings or old tanks and all this stuff. Yeah,
okay, okay.
then you need a very high power to cut the metal.
Yes.
And one of our biggest areas are small metal workshops
Okay.
who are producing fences, stairs, and all this stuff. Yeah.
Yes. And what sort of machines or technology you are exhibiting in Lamera, and how is the show so far for you?
The beginning yesterday was quite okay.
Okay.
We have the big advantage that we also have an Italian lady here who can talk in the mother tongue to the people.
Correct.
And we are showing plasma cutting systems from 30 amp to 125 amp power. So that means to cut up to 60 millimeters mild steel. Then we show a small demo unit of our extract system where you can produce mechanized things. And then we also have behind me laser cutting heads, but these we only supply to manufacturers like the company Soitap, which is on the my right side here.
Okay.
They are using, for example, on their cutting machine, one of our cutting heads.
Okay. And how is the response post COVID for you as an industry or as a company?
What
Post COVID, how the company coming
We
up?
were here last year,
Okay.
and it was really impressive because everybody was looking to come back to an exhibition.
Yes.
So it was really crowded here, a lot
Okay.
of people.
Okay.
But now you see already that a lot of exhibitions were already done. And now the visitors are not so big like last year, so
Okay.
many people here.
Okay. And your presence in India, you talk about that?
No, in India we do not produce by ourselves. We also have a subsidiary who doing sales and service and
Correct.
keep the parts on stock.
Correct.
The main production, let me say 90% is in Czech,
Okay.
but we also have a factory in China
Okay.
who is looking for the Eastern or the Asian market there.
Correct. Thank you, Mr. Bukat. We wish you a successful Lamora
Thank you very much.
and wish you a great show. Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.
Danke.